A meeting between the Securities and Exchange Commissions that are pursuing Ripple is scheduled to take place on July 25th, and the possibility of a settlement is still being considered. A summary verdict that was issued not too long ago made it very evident that the exchange sales of XRP do not belong to the classified category of securities. It is possible that the protracted legal conflict might be completed by February 2025, possibly before the departure of SSE Chair Gary Gensler, if Ripple is able to reach a compromise with the Securities and Exchange Commissions over institutional sales. Keep his reputation intact, due to the fact that the sentiment of the market may experience a substantial shift depending on the conclusion. The next 24 hours are of the utmost importance for XRP coins. For the cryptocurrency market as a whole, the beginning of the Bitstamps refund procedure on July 25th is a very significant event. This is in addition to the fact that the XRP coin market is currently experiencing a vital phase. The XRP community is looking forward to attending this new event, which will take place in combination with advancements that will be advantageous in the ETF channel. That the Ripple settlement will result in the price of XRP reaching $1 or above on multiple occasions. It is believed that Ripple and the SEC will hold a meeting behind closed doors later on today, during which they will explore the possibility of reaching a settlement. Because of a resolution, Ripple could be relaunched in the United States, XRP could be listed on Coinbase, and an FDF, also known as an initial public offering, would take place, all of which would result in an increase in the value of XRP. The window of opportunity for the Ripple case to be addressed is drawing closer and closer with each passing day since it was first brought to light. The community has been rife with rumors and speculations on the price of XRP, which have been running amok. In spite of the fact that there are observers who believe that the resolution of the litigation might help in reclaiming $1 for XRP, there are also pundits who are looking at values that are as high as $10. Particularly significant is the fact that the discussion on a settlement has gained momentum due to the fact that Ripple and the SEC are scheduled to hold a meeting behind closed doors later today. During this meeting, it is anticipated that negotiations regarding a settlement will be brought up. The Securities and Exchange Commission Sunshine Act was expressly made aware of the situation. It has been brought to your attention that the agenda for the meeting that is scheduled to take place on July 25th covers significant topics such as the institution during the settlement of administrative procedures. Claims that have been put through the legal process are settled. There are further topics that pertain to the examinations and the procedures of the enforcement. The community of cryptocurrency enthusiasts is holding out hope that the case that Ripple and the SEC are now engaged in will eventually be resolved. The native token of Ripple went on a brief search that brought it up to 63 cents, and it is currently hovering around 61 cents. This most recent increase has been going on for a considerable amount of time. Among the alternative cryptocurrencies, it is one of the few that has been able to dodge the correction that has taken place across the entire market. Over the course of the last 24 hours, for instance, Bitcoin BET-T has witnessed a decrease of 2 lakhs, while Ethereum has experienced a decrease of more than 10 within the same time period. A potential resolution to the complaint that Ripple filed against the SEC would be trigger increased volatility for XRP, since the asset has the potential to repeat the increase it experienced in the previous year in the event that the company achieves a favorable conclusion, or vice versa. As a result of Ripple's 3 significant partial court victories throughout the year 2023, there are those who believe that the company has the upper hand in the dispute. After the initial victory in July of the previous year, the price of XRP increased by about 70 in only a few hours. The decision that was made by Judge Torres at the time was that the programmatic sales that Ripple makes to secondary trading platforms do not constitute offers of investment contracts. The price of XRP has been increasing, and it has been able to break through horizontal resistance and reach higher lows. Consequently, this has led to the construction of an ascending triangle, which has the ability to breach upward. As of Thursday's European session, the price of XRP was hanging around 60 cents, which represents a loss of 0.2 over the previous 24 hours. When the market is waiting for the results of the SEC closing meeting that is scheduled to take place on July 25th, 2024 at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the market is in a state of anticipation. There is a possibility that the study of the price of XRP will be favorable. The cryptocurrency market is filled with broad optimism that a potential settlement of the RippleSec case may be on the horizon at any minute now. This anticipation is common at this point. On the other hand, there is no evidence to support his hypothesis, and it is possible that it will turn out to be an example of selling the news in the traditional manner. Does the recent political climate in the United States regarding cryptocurrencies have a positive impact on the price of XRP during the past month? There has been a tenfold improvement in the political climate in the United States toward cryptocurrencies throughout the past 3 years. Former President Donald Trump is slated to attend and speak at the Bitcoin Conference 2024, which is scheduled to take place in 2024. In addition to being an outspoken supporter of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Trump is also expected to attend the conference. The recent fast approval of spot Ethereum, exchange-traded funds, is illustrative of a similar shift in the perspective that the United States government holds on cryptocurrencies for the same reason. Despite this, the party that is currently in power in the United States has not had a favorable image of digital assets. This is the case with ETs. The most recent occurrence in which Vice President Kamala Harris has declined an offer to speak at the Bitcoin Conference 2024, which is currently taking place, is the one that involves this particular instance. Gary Gensler, who serves as the chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, is a well-known Democrat. His public attack on the cryptocurrency industry is emblematic of the perspective that the Democratic Party has on digital assets. The event may soon become a sell the news event, and the ripple effects may affect the price of XRP if there is no agreement achieved during the closed meeting of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SE. If this occurs, the event may become a sell the news occasion. There is a bullish sentiment on the market regarding the price of XRP, as indicated by both open interest and volume. According to the data that was provided by CoinLise, the total amount of open interest in XRP has increased by 9 throughout the course of the last 24 hours. According to this, a higher number of investors are putting themselves in a position to acquire the asset they are interested in. A total of $327 million was the lowest amount of open interest in XRP since September 2023, and it all happened on July 9th. This took place in the midst of widespread market panic that followed the Russian Bitcoin sell-off. There has been an additional 79 points added to the OI since that time. CoinGecko has revealed that the trading volume of XRP has climbed by 34 in the past 24 hours, which is an indication of a recent spike in market activity. This increase was recorded by CoinGecko. Hummingbot has also released its most recent upgrade version 2, which involves the installation of a new connector to the XRP ledger. This upgrade was issued quite recently. The integration of a well-established blockchain that is well known for its speed and low transaction fees into the platform is the consequence of this update, which increases the possibilities of the platform. The blockchain is well known for its speed and its low transaction fees. Ripple's Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz has expressed his happiness for the new integration, which has caused the cryptocurrency sector to experience a surge of excitement as a result of the release. The addition of the XRP all-ledger connection, which is considered to be a strategic move that strengthens the company's position, has boosted Hummingbot's position as a leader in open-source exchange API connectors. This is important because the company's position is strengthened. It has been demonstrated that Hummingbot is of considerable aid in terms of automating the process of trading cryptocurrencies and making market decisions. Over the course of the past year, the collective volume of trading that its customers have generated over more than 200 exchanges has been approximately $30 billion. Traders who are interested in boosting their performance on the cryptocurrency market continue to receive crucial tools from Hummingbot. The most recent addition to this list is the XRP ledger connection, which was introduced by Hummingbot. Experimenting with this and getting started with it is something I can't wait to do. Because of the recently added XRP, users of Hummingbot are now able to optimize their trading strategies by making advantage of the very efficient infrastructure provided by the ledger.